Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Today, I'm going to show you how to maximize your crypto earnings with Binance Savings. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Binance account. If you don't have one yet, signing up is quick and easy. Once you're in, hover over the Earn tab in the top navigation bar. A drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down, select Staking. This will take you to a page with various staking options. Now let's focus on locked staking. This is where you can earn a higher APY, annual percentage yield, by locking your crypto for a fixed term. On the locked staking page, you'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Each one shows the potential APY you can earn. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to stake. Click on it, and you'll see more details like the staking period and rewards. Once you've decided, click Stake Now. A new window will pop up where you can enter the amount you want to lock. Make sure to review the terms, including the staking period and the estimated rewards. If everything looks good, confirm your selection. And that's it. Your crypto is now locked in Binance Savings, earning you higher returns. Remember, the longer the staking period, the higher the potential rewards. But always make sure to do your own research and understand the risks involved. Thanks for watching and happy staking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips and tricks. See you next time.